for the Philippine National Police Lady Patrollers. Let's start with our setter and their team captain at number 3, Patrolwoman Entezar Bangcola. Millbucker, number 5, Patrolwoman Kristen Tucas. Millbucker, number 7, Police Corporal Cez Oliveros. Outside hitter, number 13, Patrolwoman Kia Gomez. Opposite hitter, number 15, Patrolwoman Malu Padilla. Outside hitter, number 20, Patrolwoman Mila Ronquillo. Starting libero at number 2, Patrolwoman Rexha Limsiaco. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers, Senior Master Sergeant Rod Pinalba. Calling on our social security system pension protectors. Let's start with our opposite hitter, number 3, Rosel Gomez. Outside hitter, number 4, Pao Seya. Outside hitter, number 9, Grayson Reforma. Setter, number 10, Marie Pascual. Millbucker, number 14, Pachari Samoa. Another Millbucker, number 17, Arby Camacho. Starting libero at number 5, Rosel Anzalarda. Head coach of the Pension Protectors, Mr. Jonathan Eugenio. It's the PNP Lady Patrollers versus the SSS Pension Protectors. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
Starting lineup for your Lady Patrollers. Walang masyadong pagbabago para kay Coach Rod Pinalba. What's been working? Why change it? Samantala, it's also the same starting lineup for Coach Tan Eugenio. And the Pension Protectors, Vitoy Sangwang will try to snap a 2-game losing streak para sa SSS as they meet one of the top teams, a team looking to stay at the top of the standings with a win here today. Set number 1 is underway with Tin Bangcola getting an ace.
What a way to start, diba? Service ace. Puntos agad para sa kanyang kupunan.
And right away may adjustment para sa Pension Protectors as Gomez backs up right at the line. Camacho with a pass. Pascual to Pitoy. And Pitoy is turned away on her first attempt.
Alam mo na ang gagawin ng PNP, talagang babantayan nila si Pitoy because she's the number 1 hitter of SSS.
2-0 start for Bangcola and the Lady Patrollers. That one is in again.
Wow.
Gomez nag-adjust, but she was in the middle. And dinalahan naman ni Bangcola doon sa corner. Take a look.
Yeah.
Gomez was there.
Look at that also, no? Biglang bagsak yung bola niya doon sa dulo.
It actually looked like it was going out.
Yeah.
Oh, another ace. 3 of the 4 points ng Lady Patrollers coming from Bangcola's aces. The other one was a block. Oh, another one. Can you believe it? 5-0 start. 4 aces para kay Tin Bangcola.
At alam mo, di ba, na talagang sinetap na nila yung tempo. They are going to dictate this match.
Coach Tan Eugenio already on his feet. And finally, a receive. It was short, but it was a receive nevertheless. First chance to attack para sa Lady Patrollers. Padilla will touch the net.
Yes. So that's why point goes to SSS, Pension Protectors.
So no attack points yet, and we're already 6 points into set number 1. Short serve coming from Reforma. Overpass coming from Gomez. Pitoy. Yeah, nice dig. Pascual back to Pitoy with a push. Got it.
Nicely done. Ang ganda ng sets ni Pascual para kay Pitoy. Mataas, tapos malayo sa net kasi alam niya na merong mga blockers.
First attack point of the set coming from Pitoy. 2 straight points scored para sa Pension Protectors.
Nice set.
Seiya. Yes! 3 straight points scored by the Pension Protectors.
Seiya, nakita niya may dalawang blockers in front of her. She tooled the block. Not a problem.
Three serving 5. Limsiaco, bad pass.
Good save.
But Pascual. Oh, a solid one-lady block. Oliveros against Pitoy.
You know, Oliveros really watched Pitoy kung kailan siya mag-approach. Look at that. She really timed her jump. Solid block, as you said.
So, a side out para sa Lady Patrollers, stopping the 3-point run ng Pension Protectors. Another bad pass. Sang Muang. Limsiaco pops it up. Mangcola. Out to Ronquillo. Another tough passing para sa Pension Protectors so far. Oliveros with the left hand. Pascual back to Pitoy. Mangcola with the first touch. Limsiaco will set it to Padilla. Much better pass from Camacho. Here's Pitoy. Limsiaco diving for it. Padilla sends it over underhand. Longest rally so far. Pitoy. One-handed block is no good for Oliveros.
Oh, that second time, Pitoy would not have any of it. Talagang tinignan niya yung blocker niya and she knew what to do with it. The blocker was a little bit far from the net, so she took advantage of that.
So from down 5 points, 2 points na lang hinahabol dito ng Pension Protectors. Pascual with a serve. Nice hit
Oh, buhay.
by Oliveros. Tinawid ni Gomez. Ronquillo. Got it.
No, syempre si Oliveros said sorry to Camacho because it hit her head when she hit that ball. But there, what we just saw, si Ronquillo getting the point for her team with a down-the-line hit.
Oliveros serving 7-4. Bad pass. San
Good
Juan
save.
saving it. Seiya sends it over and it's outside.
Ito yung mga unforced errors that you don't really want to commit because they're gonna bite you at the end.
Let's go courtside to Ira Pablo.
Napag-usapan natin dati na wala nga natatanggap na sweldo o talent fee itong si Patchery Sangmuang serving as an import para dito sa SSS Pension Protectors. Kaya naman in order to sustain herself ay she handles several businesses. She also handles a milk tea shop, Chino Tea yung tawag. Meron niyang 2 branches. May isa sa Caloocan at may isa rin sa Valenzuela. Nalaman ko rin kung bakit Pitoy ang nickname ni Patchery. P pala means ate in the Thai language. Tapos Toy naman yung kanyang nickname talaga. Kaya Pitoy Sangmuang. Balik sa inyo.
Ah, ganun pala yun.
Nice report, Ira.
Oh, thanks, Ira.
9-5. Ating talaan, Padilla serving for the Lady Patrollers. Ayun si Patchery Pitoy Sangmuang with the receive. Camacho pushes. Ronquillo pops it up.
Wow, good
Gomez
save.
sends it over. Camacho with a push. Mangcola. And Etucas will knock it. No. Yeah, gets it off the block and scores.
Yeah, there's that easy over from Camacho that enabled PNP to run a play at Etucas na nga ang nakatapos ng play na yon.
Padilla serving. Camacho. Floater. Mangcola on a 1-2 play. Seiya pops it up. Pascual back to Seiya. Ronquillo against Camacho. Pascual, oh, her version of a 1-2 play. A tip by Etucas. Save. Underhand set for Mangcola. Seiya with a save. Sangmuang back row. Gomez passes. Etucas. Seiya sets it for Camacho. Ronquillo. There's Gomez. Long rally. Ronquillo cross court finally with a little bit of power right there.
You know, I I love how both teams are moving in the court. Alam nila yung defensive patterns nila. Alam nila kung sino yung babantayan nila. But Ronquillo just had to put an exclamation point on that.
11-5, a 6-point lead that is cut down to 5 after the error on the serve. Seiya serving 6-11. Ronquillo. Reforma sends it over. Etukas. Good defense on the floor by Pascual. Sangwang from the back row. Ronquillo ulit. Mababa na, so she just had to punch it up. And that save is no good as the second touch from Gomez was short.
Maganda sana yung combination play that PNP tried to run. Nagkaroon lang ng mistimed in the jump there, but nonetheless, it still delivered the point for them.
12-6 ang ating talaan in favor of the Lady Patrollers. Reforma. Oliveros trying to keep it alive, pero will come up short.
Reforma doing a good job hitting that ball hard and long, causing PNP to run after that ball.
Here's Gomez. Yes, off the block of Camacho.
Gomez taking advantage. Nakita niya may blocker siya, pero late yung blocker kaya patakbo pa lang si Camacho, napasok na niya yung bola.
Timeout for Tan Eugenio. Pakinggan natin ang Pension Protectors.
Paglikod, okay lang matinig ka. Pagharap, gawin natin. Yung sa likod, yung down the line, pumapalo down the line, tsaka cross court na. Walang bagong ginagawa. Pwesto lang, pwesto.
Hindi nyo lang yung patterns, hindi nyo lang yung patterns.
Pagka na-depensahan natin, taas natin sa open o kaya kay Pito o kaya sa tres. Palo lang tayo. Bully natin isa-isa.
Huwag nyo na ulitin yung limang na bumabang service, huwag nyo na ulitin yun.
Tara, angat natin! Kahit umangat lang! Assist! Palo!
Kanina pa nga pinapractice nila yung defensive pattern nila So, kaya alam nila kung saan sila tatayo kung depending on where the attacker is going to come from. So, kabisado na nila yun at yun na nga ang sinabi ni Coach Dan, just stick to the system. Then of course, merong mga instructions for Pitoy na mabigyan siya ng bola for an attack.
Gomez after the short pass by Pitoy. Padilla to Bangcola, who is the leading scorer with 4 points para sa Lady Patrollers. Pascual to Camacho with a push. Gomez, Kia Gomez to the other Gomez. Rosel Gomez. Bangcola. They go back to Kia Gomez. And Rosel Gomez this time unable to get the dig.
Alam mo, kahit na nagkakamali sila, nabubuhay nila yung bola That just shows you yung chemistry inside the court. Alam nila how each other moves. That's why yung confidence level nila sa kakampi nila mataas.
14 serving 7.
Nice.
Serve para kay Etukas. Camacho with a hit. Oliveros
Nice.
got it.
Oliveros, what a hit! Ang bilis kasi nung first ball, ang bilis nung setup, kaya yung atake niya mabilis din. Hindi pa nakaka-form ng defensive pattern ang SSS, napasok na yung bola.
Mantala si Larion will check in to replace Rosel Gomez. Another strong serve by Etukas resulting in a short pass mula kay Pitoy. Reforma. Cross court.
Good save.
The hit by Oliveros. Camacho. Ito si Kia Gomez. Sangwan with the dig. Reforma ulit. Kia Gomez one more time. Camacho. Bangkola
Good save.
saves it. That one is outside mula kay Camacho. Let's go to this report by Ara Pablo.
Did you guys know that Tin Bangkola comes from a family of policemen and policewomen? Kaya naman, it was a no-brainer for Tin Bangkola to enlist herself in the PNP. And itong si Tin Bangkola daw talaga, she is very patriotic by character. Gusto talaga niya maglingkod sa gobyerno. And para sa kanya, she feels like she's meant to be a patrol woman para dito sa PNP. And her future plans also include taking up law school para daw maging abogado siya in the future at mas makapaglingkod pa sa bayan. That is Tin Bangkola for you guys. Eric and
Wow.
G.
Beauty
Maraming
and
salamat.
brains.
Yeah. Big plans for Tin Bangkola, and I'm sure she'll be able to pull it off.
Yeah.
Pascual to Reforma. Kia Gomez.
Nice.
Titoy pops it up. Pascual ang papalo. Kia Gomez again, overpass this time. And Oliveros quick to put it away.
Oliveros, nakita niya may butas sa zone 2. Kaya binalik niya agad para wala pa yung depensa doon. Nandun na yung bola niya.
And it's now an 11-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. 18-7. Etucas continues to serve, and this time it goes outside. Oliveros, outside.
Slowly but surely, umakit ang puntos ng SSS.
2 straight points scored by the Pension Protectors. Well, both from errors nga lang. One service fault and binalik man ni Camacho. And another error from Oliveros. Ito na ulit si Tin Bangkola who had 4 aces to start off set number 1. Reforma passes Sangwang. That was short kaya underhand na lang yung shot ni Titoy. Titoy back up. Kept alive by Oliveros pero tinapos na si Padilla for the second touch.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng mga setups para kay Pitoy kasi even if it's short, she's put in a position where she can score. Kaya maganda yung hulog niya na yun eh.
So 3 straight points scored by the Pension Protectors. Padilla.
Good save.
Gomez this time. Yes.
Gomez what a hit. Pero I have to hand it to Larion. Talagang ang tapang she put her arms up to try and get that ball. Sayang hindi daw niya nakuha. That's what you want in a player.
Back to a 10-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Service out para kay Kia Gomez. Good pass by Limsiaco. And Oliveros, once again, Oliveros with 5 points.
Ito kasing si Bangkola, ang dami niyang options eh. And sa sobrang dami niyang options, ang dami din niyang choices, whether it's a fast play or slow play. Let's listen in to SSS.
Natatapatan niya pero itatapon niya yung bola. Saan niya na? Nandun na kayo eh. Pumwesto na rin kayo, iangat na natin yung bola. Huwag nyo nang
Yung strategy nila na pag nasa harap si Toy, paikutin nila agad nangyayari. Lahat ng ginagawa ng gusto nilang mangyari. Ilang ikot lang andun agad si Toy, tapos susundan nyo pa ng error na isa, dalawa, ng service. Hindi ubro yun. Kailangan pag habang nasa loob si Toy, tumatagal siya sa loob.
Pero gala tayo.
Go! Kaya!
Uy, compose tayo. SS!
Tuloy nyo lang pa.
Sige lang. Mari, tsaka Bosso. Yung quicker.
At yun talaga yung sinabi ni Coach Rod sa akin eh. Ang game plan nila, paiikutin nila ng mabilis ang pension protectors para tanggal agad si Pitoy from the picture. And that's exactly what's happening here. Ang bilis ng ikot.
10-point lead para dito sa Lady Patrollers, 21-11. That was the last time out, by the way, para kila Pitoy Sangmuang and the Pension Protectors.
Nice set.
Push from Pitoy, nagkabanggaan si Padilla and Oliveros. Pitoy again. And Pitoy scores!
Kuminsan kasi hulog-hulog lang si Pitoy eh, no? But when she gets the chance at pag nakita niya yung defense not that prepared, she's going to hit that ball hard and she target Bangkola pa, yung setter.
Ronquillo. Seiya off a combination play. Bangkola passes. Oliveros with a hit. Pascual back to Camacho. Yes!
Nice rotation from Pascual. Inikot niya yung bola. She went for Seiya outside and then she went to the middle. Camacho. Two blockers were there but no problem kasi pababa na yung blockers. Doon pinasok ni Camacho yung bola niya.
Back-to-back points para sa Pension Protectors. And Tucas finally gets a side out para sa Lady Patrollers.
Alam agad ni Bangkola kung ano yung kailangan gawin eh. Kailangan mabilis yung play kasi kita mo, late yung blocker. That's why napasok agad yung bola nila.
Padilla serving 9-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Short pass, Seiya to Camacho.
Oh. Si Camacho, pag masyadong mataas yung bola, nami-miss time niya yung jump niya. That's where the error comes in. So when you give her the ball, hindi dapat masyadong mataas.
Navarro papasok para kay Seiya. Overpass. And an easy put away para kay Ronquillo.
I was gonna say, that's a good serve. And sure enough, it was, they had an overpass and a quick point. And that's an overpass. Ronquillo was there to put that ball away. Oh,
Well, a set point given up off a service error para kay Padilla. So, still 10 set points para sa Lady Patrollers. As Velasco, babantahan si Pitoy.
pahinga muna si Pitoy. Ooh, wide.
Bad set that
Pero
turned
pasok.
into a point. A lucky break para kay Tin Bangkola off an overpass.
Isipin mo, uy, sadya. Pero actually, it was really for Ronquillo. But it was an overset.
All right, wait a minute. Sabi nung lines judge out, but Paulie Sanchez, our first referee, called it in. Wait a minute. They overturned the call. So the point going to it was outside. The point going to SSS. So 2 set points given up. 1 more to go.
Oh, good save.
Nice save, pero no second touch. And that'll do it for the first set.
You know, from start to finish, dinectate na ng PNP yung set na yon. They started with Bangkola, 5 points agad siya from the service zone. And then she kept running fast plays so that Pitoy would not stay in front for long. That's how they won that first set.
So a solid first set win para sa Lady Patrollers against the Pension Protectors. They are 1-0 going into set number 2. Set number 2 just about to get underway mula dito sa Paco Arena. Final game of our triple header. PNP looking to tie at the top. Go up 9-2 para sabayan ang AFP who won earlier in 4 sets kontra sa DFA. In Bangkola, you mentioned 4 aces, all over 4 points. And that was part of that 5-0 run against Seiya and the rest of the pension protectors.
Gomez also did a wonderful job in set 1. Oh, enjoy si Samwang dancing. Ang ganda kasi ng music dito sa arena eh.
Hazel magpantay in the game for the first time as a starter para sa Lady Patrollers. Oliveros picking up where she left off and now has 6 points.
You know, si Oliveros at si Gomez, nakakatakot sila in front because whatever ball you give them, whether it's high or it's low, they're able to bring in the points for their team.
Here's Bangkola's serve again. Oh, that one could have been outside. Pero Seiya picked it up. Another ace para kay Bangkola. 5 points, 5 aces.
Somebody actually shouted out.
Yeah.
Good stretch.
Nice serve. Sangwa comes up short, so that's got to be another ace. Para kay Tin Bangkola, 6.6 aces.
Ito na naman si Bangkola, di ba? Setting the tone for her team. That's what you want in a leader.
Team captain and the starting setter. Oliveros for 1-2 play, got it.
Oliveros again. Oliveros and Gomez, very active in front, very aggressive. Sabayan mo pa nandyan si Magpantay sa gitna. So this is gonna be fun to watch.
Another 4-0 start. It's practically identical to the first set except kabilang court lang. And that'll end the run para sa Lady Patrollers. 4-1. They lead by 3. And Coach Tan Eugenio on your screen. So the Forma serving para sa pension protectors. That was a gettable hit mula kay Gomez, pero Camacho failed to move her feet. Take a look.
Ang ganda kasi ng galaw ni Bangkola eh. And ang gaan din ng kamay niya sa bola. That's why she's so fun to watch. And she gives really good sets to her attackers.
Nice serve. Para kay Gomez. Pitoy with a push. Pancake save is no good.
Nicely done there by Pitoy. She saw a big open spot in the middle. 3 blockers, kita mo, high respect for her.
Good pass. Pagpantay. Yes! Nagkalituan si Pascual and Reforma.
Kasi kapag gumalaw na yung teammate mo who's in front of you, aalangan ka na to receive the ball because you're gonna think she's gonna get that ball for sure. That's why you have to commit to your actions once you make them.
Camacho with a bad pass. Bangkola sets it up for Ronquillo underhand. Pinasa ni Reforma. Suba is in the game for the first time, by the way, for the pension protectors.
Nice save.
With a left-handed, Tuca sends it over. And that one is wide para kay Camacho.
Ito, pag naglalaro ang PNP so far, para kang nanonood ng ballet. They're dancing in the air. They know each other so well.
Early timeout para kay Coach Tan Eugenio. We'll listen in.
Isip muna tayo. Yung pwesto niya, nagugulat kayo, papunta sa inyo yung bola. Focus tayo, ha? Guys, naglolokohan ba tayo dito? Sa ensayo, ganyan ba kayo? Hindi, di ba? Yung isa gumanyan, sorry. Yung isa gumanyan. Pagka pinotan yun, ilan na score? Ano ba gusto natin gawin dito? Manalo, matalo? Gumalaw kayo. Ang puta naman, nag-e-ensayo tayo, tapos gaganyan tayo dito sa TV.
Ilalagay lang yung bulo.
Receive lang tayo. Receive lang tayo. Nalakas masyado yung mga okay.
Huwag kayo magsisiyan. Huwag kayo
Ano
magsisiyan.
na nga? Tingnan nyo lang yung bola kung saan papunta. Okay? Sundan natin yung bola. SS!
You know, what they do kasi sa training nila, sinisimulate nila yung kalaban. So they come up with scrimmages with teams that play like, in this particular one, PNP. So maganda daw yung ensayo nila. That's why sa boses ni Coach Je, medyo frustrated siya kasi maganda yung galaw nila sa training nila.
7 serving 2, a 5-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Bangkola pops it up. Oliveros will set to Ronquillo. Pitoy. Dig by Kia Gomez. Tough set para kay Bangkola who seems to be hurt.
Good save.
There's Etucas. Oh, a nice soft touch as Bangkola continues to be hurt. Maybe she fell down hard. She's trying to shake it off.
Oh, she tried to save that ball short kasi yung reception. So, as the second ball, as the setter for the second ball, ayun, buwis buhay ang ginawa niya.
Puntahan natin itong report ni Ira Pablo.
Galing sa TUP itong si Pao Seya, kaya dyan din siya nakapagtapos sa kursong edukasyon, and she is also a licensed professional teacher as well. So dito sa TUP, nakapaglaro siya sa SQUA at varsity siya all throughout her collegiate years. Kaya naman after graduating, ay akala niya her volleyball days were behind her already. Dahil after graduation, nagtrabaho na siya sa DICT or Department of Information and Communications Technology until she was endorsed to SSS, wherein she serves as a clerk sa OSD or yung Office Services Department until biglang nagka-call up for the UVL at na-line up siya. She's very happy to be given the opportunity na merong volleyball pa rin sa kanyang buhay. Balik sa inyo.
Alright, thank you, Ira. Camacho will hit it into the net.
You know, speaking of Seya, kasi pag love mo talaga ang volleyball, talagang gugustuhin mong maglaro ng volleyball hanggang sa matanda ka na. So, kung hindi ka na makapaglaro, eto, mag-a-analyst ka or commentator.
Hazel magpantay with the serve here at 10-3. Nice.
Ooh. Nice serve by Magpantay. Cool na kulang si Magpantay oh.
First ace para kay Police Corporal Hazel Magpantay.
Sabi nga ni Larion kanina basahin niya yung bola. And she has the authority kasi magaling siya mag-receive
Seya. Bangkola to Etucas. Hit is short para kay Suba.
That was too near the net for her.
And right now, Magpantay and company running away with set number 2. Already up by 9 points.
Nice serve.
Camacho. Yes!
Nicely done. You know that first ball was a little bit close to the net. Pero tingnan mo, nag-jump set na lang si Pascual and she was able to put Camacho in a good spot, earning the point for their team.
Second point for Camacho. Pao Seya with 1 point. Ronquillo on the line.
Ang ganda ng palo ni Ronquillo with that down the line. It's so sharp and so fast. And the reason for that, she was on top of that ball.
Pascual to Camacho. Blocked by Etucas. Pascual.
Coverage.
Gomez. Off the elbow ni Pascual. Chance ball. Reforma. Oh, Etucas kinapos.
Sabi nga ni Coach, wag palo ng palo. Kailangan hanapin yung open zone. And Reforma did just that. That's why they were able to get that score.
Suba serving 5-13.
Oh, ito yung mga services na talagang hindi mo pwedeng i-waste because ang layo ng kailangan mong habulin.
Substitution as Rosel Gomez returns. Apaltan si Kimberly Joy Suba.
Sabi nga ng ibang coaches basta ipasok mo. Kasi baka magkamali yung kalaban.
Reforma. Gomez. Yes.
Nicely done by Gomez. She saw Camacho was there, but what happened? Ito yung setup kay Gomez. You see na malayo si Camacho sa net. So there was such a big gap in between the net and her arm. Kaya nakapasok yung bola.
Camacho tried to send it over on the first touch. Kinapos and nobody chasing it down for an up. Kaya balik sa siyam ang alamangan. And Lady Patrollers, their biggest of the set. And this is going to be the final timeout para kay Coach Stan Eugenio. We will listen in.
Tignan nyo nga yung paligid. Kanino ba kayo kinakabahan? Kaya bumalik sa atin yung bola, chance. Ba't tinatalo nyo? Ibig natin di ba? Tanggalin nyo yung pressure. No, tignan nyo yung mga mukha nyo ngayon. Walang expression. Pag naglalaro tayo sa ensayo, lahat masaya. Tingnan nyo ngayon, walang buhay, walang spirit.
Enjoy na lang tayo, okay?
Sige, enjoy na. Go! Enjoy na tayo. Enjoy na tayo.
Kanino ba kayo nape-pressure? Ha? Sarili nyo lang yung nasa lobby. Tayo lang nandito. Walang ibang tao.
Tara,
Enjoy lang, enjoy lang.
Tara, salita kasi.
Salita mo kaya yan. Nung hindi ka maayos yung nilalaro natin.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Kaya yan.
Tara, RP, bawin tayo.
Kaya one of the techniques of the players is talagang bina-blackout nila yung surrounding nila so that they see no one, they hear no one except their coaches at saka yung teammates nila. Para hindi sila nahihiya sa TV, hindi sila nahihiya sa audience. Sila lang, they're focused.
All right, let's go courtside and check in with Ira Pablo.
Binanggit nyo nga kanina na beauty and brains itong si Captain Tin Bangcola. Hindi lang siya babaeng police na pang volleyball, kundi babaeng police na pang muse rin. She served as a muse sa isang basketball opening a few days ago at nung nakita nga yung pangalan na patawag si Commissioner Ronnie Magsanok sa kanya at clarify kung naka-line up ba itong si Tin Bangcola doon at sabi niya hindi po, mag-muse lang daw po siya. And this is very okay para sa ating UVL Commissioner. Balik sa inyo.
Why not, diba? Plus, she's always smiling, kaya dagdag sa beauty yun.
Nice hit by Oliveros, and that will not count anymore.
Yeah, it hit the floor.
Actually, di ba kanina may isang kasama in-interview yata ni Ira nga yun yung isang fan, di ba? Looking forward to matches ng PNP because he's a fan of Tin Bangcola.
Yeah. I'm sure ang dami.
Oh, I'm
Daming
sure.
fans. Oop.
Another error here as SSS falling apart very early here in set number 2.
Alam mo yung pinakamatinding kalaban mo talaga, sarili mo Kasi ikaw nagbibigay ng pressure sa sarili mo. That's why the coaches are saying, have fun.
Pag walang ka na ng kumpiyansa, that's really the beginning of the end.
Correct.
Bad pass there on the receive. A service ace para kay Crystal Joy Etucas. 6 points already. That hit is into the net as Camacho, already with 5 errors, has only scored 2 points.
She was just late in that approach, kaya napunta sa net yung bola. Pero alam naman natin si Camacho, okay naman siya. She just needs to really settle down and the timing of the approach. Yun lang.
Another bad pass. Seiya trying to save it, but she comes up short.
So, talagang in control ang PNP right now. Sa services pa lang, they are in control na. Alam mo. Wow, look at that.
Overpass.
Yeah.
Oliveros will put it away.
It's so clean and it's so flat. Tamo, hindi umiikot yung bola
Oliveros now with 10 points. And pension protectors, despite the freebie, may not even make it to double digits in this set. They only have 6 points. Lady Patrollers only need 2. Ay, nagkalituhan doon. Was it for Gomez? Was it for Oliveros? And Pitoy Sangwang with a nice hit. Oliveros pops it up. Gomez with a hit. Pascual back to Pitoy. Cross court. Pagpantay, popping it up. Gomez. Seiya with a dig. Oh, pinapos si Oliveros.
Nicely done there by Pascual. Kasi binuhay pa rin niya yung bola and she knew na tatama siya sa net if she did otherwise. Kaya in-over na niya yung bola. At sure enough, ang nagkamali ang PNP.
It was too close to the net.
Yeah. But still alive.
Pascual to Pitoy. Limsiaco with a dig. Onquillo back row. Pascual sets it for Reforma. Blocked by Oliveros. Pitoy. Yes!
Pascual doing a good job. She's all over the place, keeping that ball alive, giving her attackers good balls so that they can score for their team.
This is a 3-point run para sa Pension Protectors. Oliveros on a running attack. Block! Wow, believe it or not, 9 points na ang Pension Protectors, and I may have been wrong. They will probably get to double digits now with this huge 4-point run. They've got a lot of momentum. Gomez. That's
Sabi ni Gomez, wait lang, Eric.
It's still set point pa lang. So, yep, they're right there. But they need to get 2 consecutive, including this one, to prevent the Pension Protectors from getting double digits. All right, here we go for the 10th point. Pitoy punches it through, and yes, the Pension Protectors get 10.
Yeah, 2 blockers were there for Pitoy, but she was able to get that ball in between the blockers and the net. So she saw that gap, kaya she took advantage of it.
Oliveros. Eto si Seiya. Yes! 2 set points saved by the Pension Protectors.
And you like how SSS is playing right now kasi mas maingay na sila sa court eh. Gumagalaw na sila and you could see smiles on their faces. They're enjoying.
Magpantay, short pass. Hazel magpantay for the win. Not just yet, says Camacho. Pitoy, another set point save.
And again, we could see good first balls coming from SSS. That's why Pascual is able to set up her attackers well.
This is a 7-1 run by the Pension Protectors. Oh,
Saved.
all right. Naitawid di Bangkola. Pitoy, blocked by Oliveros. Seiya sends it across.
Nice.
Oliveros, nice tip.
Good
Kept alive.
coverage.
Pascual with a hit. Pagpantay. Nice tip by Pitoy. Pagpantay tries again. Gomez pops it up. And yes, what a job by Reforma to send it across. Long rally. Pitoy. Dug by Limsiaco. Gomez. Pitoy again. Gomez. Oh, that is it.
And that's why you like the volleyball games here in UNT TV. Long rallies, interesting ones, exciting ones. Wow, Bangkola just all over the place, putting that ball up, putting her attackers in good positions para makapunto sa kanyang koponan.
Despite the 7-2 run para sa Pension Protectors, the 2 points na pinuntos ng Lady Patrollers was enough to give them a win in set number 2. A lot of errors, especially for the Pension Protectors midway through the second set. Really hurt them and put them in a bad position late in the second set. Pachari Sangwang with 11 points, clearly not enough as they will go to set number 3 down 2 sets to nothing against the Lady Patrollers. All right, set number 3. Final opportunity para sa Pension Protectors to bounce back in this match and extend it. Itong Lady Patrollers right now at 8-2 in the standings. Their goal is to get their 9th win and tie at the top with AFP. Mantalang Pension Protectors, they're still within striking distance.
Good save.
Pitoy will try to send it across. Good job. And a nice hit, Oliveros once again.
Kita mo yung ginagawa ng PNP, no? Pinapascramble nila yung floor defense ng SSS. How do they do that? They go for fast plays.
Another ace para kay Team Bangkola. Now her 7th ace of the game.
Yeah, Bangkola kanina pa siya talaga, no? Sir, earning the point from the service zone. Kailangan ang receive mo dyan underhand. Oh. Except that time, the net stopped her already. Sabi niya, pahinga ka muna.
Reforma serving 1-2. There's a tip by Pitoy. Vicente, by the way, is in the game for the first time. Number 9 para sa Lady Patrollers. Oh, nice hit. Pitoy catches the line.
Yeah. Alam mo, there were 2 blockers in front of her, pero of course she used her height. Hindi na siya masyadong makatalon, but she was able to do a good job hitting a difficult angle like that.
Bangkola, the back set. Gomez. Picked up by Reforma. Pascual back to Pitoy. Through the block. And what a job by Oliveros. Gets the block and gets the save to send it across the net.
Magbilis kasi mag-react ang PNP, and when they react, hindi lang siya basta react, it's a thinking reaction. So nababalik nila yung bola, tapos nakaka-earn sila ng puntos.
12 points para kay Oliveros. Only player in double digits for both. Oh no, for the Lady Patrollers, si Pitoy, naka-12 na rin to.
Good save by Pascual.
Vicente, got it.
Again, whoever you put in the front row for PNP, they are able to score for their team. Paano kasi I think if I'm not mistaken, ang training nila is every single day. They go to the same barracks, so they really, talagang yung chemistry nila napakaganda.
Seiya. Oliveros, that's popped up by Rosel Gomez. Ronquillo, open net. Seiya. Back set, Vicente ulit. Popped up by Rosel Gomez. Seiya, underhand pass, catches the net.
She wanted to go sharp and strong. Unfortunately, it was too low.
(5-2). Pascual to Pitoy Sangwan. Bangkola all the way out to Ronquillo. Camacho with a great pass. Pitoy ulit. Pass by Limsiaco. Pitoy. Outside.
There's a little bit of a discussion because ang sinasabi ng SSS, it was on the line. But our lines judge as well as our first referee said it was outside. Tingnan natin. Was it outside?
Ooh. It was close.
Yeah, very close.
Probably poetic justice ng serve ni Kia Gomez into the net. 3 serving 6. Pascual serving. Nice hit there.
Yeah.
Oliveros with 13 now.
Si Oliveros, it's fun to watch her kasi iniiba-iba niya yung angulo ng tira niya eh. So she is showing us na diversity in hits meron siya.
Pitoy. Vicente, nice hit against the tall Pitoy Sangmuang. Good defense by Oliveros mula sa likod. Tejada comes up short.
Natawa na lang si Barbie dun sa error niya. Pati yata siya nagulat dun sa error niya. But okay yun kung ikaw ang taga-SSS, di ba?
The 3-point game. Ronquillo. Seiya overpasses. Tejada sets it. Ito si Vicente. Seiya. Ronquillo. Nobody there behind. Nice job. Great view by Pascual.
Oo, talagang she wanted that ball eh. Kasi nakita niya talaga na butas doon sa zone 5. That's why she was able to push that very confidently.
Dumidikit ang Pension Protectors, only down by 2. Make that only down by 1. Service ace by Pitoy Sangmuang.
Yeah, that's a good serve by Pitoy. Miscommunication from the floor defenders of PNP.
From down 4 points, chance to tie on the second serve by Sangmuang. Oh, there it is. Back-to-back aces, and we're tied at 7.
There's that serve again. It's also flat, it's strong, it's heavy. Kaya nag-produce ng shank hit yon.
Just the second deadlock of the entire match. And both deadlocks happened dito sa set 3. Chance for the lead now. Camacho. Vicente.
Good save. Oh!
Yeah, love the effort, pero babalik sa kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers up by 1. Let's go to Ira Pablo.
Alam niyo ba ang muntik ng hindi maging police itong si Barbie Tejada dahil ang first choice niya nung college ay tourism at yung second choice naman niya ay education dahil nga she comes from a family of teachers. Pero dahil naglaro siya sa palarong pambansa, inofferan siya ng scholarship sa criminology sa FL Vargas College Tuguegarao. So now she was faced with a decision. Kinausap niya yung kanyang nanay. Sabi ng kanyang nanay, "Anak, alam mo ba wala pang babaeng police sa pamilya." Kaya yon na ang pinili ni Barbie Tejada. So aside from getting that free scholarship, ay nagbigay siya ng variety sa kanyang family background. Balik sa inyo.
Oh.
Thank you, Ira.
Yeah, what a story, ah.
And right on cue,
First.
nagparamdam agad si Tejada with a tip at the net.
Oo nga, the first in the family na police.
Timeout for Coach Tanya Henya. They're back down by 3. We'll listen to the Pension Protectors.
Tinaymod ko agad. Stoy, tinaymod ko agad kasi lumamang na ng 3. Huwag na natin palayuin. Ha? Receivein nyo muna yung service. Pagka receive, set, palo. Pag pagod ka na, bigay kay Seiya, ha? Seiya, paluin nyo lang. Mamamatay yan.
Pag magpasila kay Seiya muna.
Go lang. Toy, pa-depensa muna. Pag wala na silang dalawa, bigay mo kay Pitoy sa service.
Sige. Laban!
Alam mo, even yung timeout, strategic yan eh. So let's see no, kung if this will work for the Pension Protectors.
They were able to erase a 4-point deficit kanina. Right now, they're down by 3. So another run here of the same amount of points and put them in the lead for the first time in the match. Hindi pa po lumalabang ever in this meeting. Ang Pension Protectors kontra sa Lady Patrollers. Vicente with a serve.
Good up.
Camacho hitting. Ronquillo on the attack. Pitoy pops it up. Seiya. This time Tejada pushing and scoring. Back-to-back points para kay Barbie Tejada.
Si Barbie, hindi lang niya pinush punesto niya yung push niya. Look at that angle. That's a difficult one.
Lead is back to its biggest para sa Lady Patrollers at 4 points. It'll be an easy over para kay Pitoy. Ronquillo. Soft hit. Got it.
Oh, ang ganda ng tira ni Ronquillo. Walang tao sa likod ng blockers, kaya doon niya pinapunta bola niya. There's that setup. Look at the open hand. Kaya alam mong hulog eh.
And ipapahinga ni Coach Tan Eugenio si Pitoy as she will sit out for a few minutes here. Salarda is in. Libero para sa Pension Protectors. It is now a 5-point lead again. Actually, no, this is the biggest lead para sa Lady Patrollers at 5 points. Camacho is blocked. Bangcola with a tip.
I think Camacho thought na hindi siya na-block. That's why she wasn't fast in her reaction. Ayun o, naglalakad eh. Pero mabilis naman ang nakita ni Barbie na walang tao doon sa zone 2. Tapos wala rin siyang hindrance sa net.
Biggest lead now at 6 points para sa Lady Patrollers. Bangcola pops it up. Ronquillo. Pascual with the first touch. Seiya underhand pass. Ronquillo ulit. Seiya able to tip it. Ronquillo. Got it.
Ganda ng set ni Bangcola. Kita mo yung bola niya. Hindi gumagalaw sa ere eh. Yummy, yummy for any hitter to hit.
Short pass. Pascual. Camacho with a two-handed push. Inangat ni Vicente. Bangcola will have to tip it over. Seiya hits and sends it outside. Eight-point lead now, the biggest after that error para sa Lady Patrollers. Fancy push para kay Pascual pero she went wide.
Yeah, yung shoulders kasi niya was facing outside. So when she tipped that back set, when she did the back set, sumunod yung bola kung saan nakaharap yung shoulders niya. Kaya lumabas.
Let's go back again, courtside to Ira Pablo.
Alam niyo ba na outside hitter talaga itong si Rexha Limsiaco until she was asked by PNP to play as a libero para dito sa Lady Patrollers. So yung reception, yung pasa sa setter, nabasahin yung attackers ng kalaban, lahat yan tinuro ng coaching staff sa kanya para ma-develop niya yung skills as a libero. And sabi niya sa akin, medyo mababaw daw pero ito daw talaga yung pangarap ni Rexha Limsiaco na mapanood daw siya sa TV. Akala nga daw niya yung matatangkad na volleyball players lang yung may pagkakataon na maglaro sa isang televised game pero masaya itong si Rexha na nagkaroon siya ng pagkakataon na mapanood ng kanyang pamilya dito sa TV at naglalaro pa ng volleyball. Let's listen into this timeout.
Alam ko paano sa harap eh. Bigay muna yung first ball. Size muna tayo kay Pitoy ha. Umalis kaya tatalon si Pitoy.
Hawin ng daan.
Okay, so si coach sabi nga niya, wala nang hindi effective no so far yung front attackers niya. So the attack is gonna come from behind. So si Pitoy, kailangan daw alis sila kasi babuelo si Pitoy mahirap na kung tamaan sila. Oh, so Bangcola is going to sit down first. And
Paginado.
yes,
Check in.
Paginado. Magaling din si Paginado na setter.
Double-digit advantage para sa Lady Patrollers, up by 10. 17 serving 7. Bad pass. Patuloy ang pag-arangkada dito despite the timeout. That last timeout by Coach Tan Eugenio, hindi makakuha ng side out ang Pension Protectors. And the run continues. 19-7. It's a 12-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Oh, reception issue is plaguing itong pension protectors. Tejada. Nangat ni Pascual. Camacho will set it. Titoy will hit. And that will not be a good dig para kay Camacho as PNP just running away with this.
You know, si Paginado, iniikot niya yung bola eh. Parang hindi rin nawala si Bangkola, no? She's doing a good job on the floor, making her hitters look good.
27 ang ating talaan. Paginado. Tronquillo. Seiya.
Oh,
Another error para sa pension protectors.
I think dapat hindi na mag-overthink yung mga attackers of SSS because now ang tumatalo sa isip niyan is baka magkamali ako. And because you have that in your thought, nagkakamali tuloy.
Good serve. Pitoy. Tejada. Inangat ni Pitoy. Navarro with a hit and an error on her first touch.
Okay na din yun, di ba? Na Pascual gave Navarro a chance to attack. Why not?
Good pass. Pitoy from the back row. Paginado to Tejada. Gomez will pass to Pitoy, hitting again. And finally, a side out para dito sa pension protectors.
And finally, we see some smiles on the faces of the pension protectors.
Navarro with the serve. And it's outside. Yep, it is.
Well, 3 points na lang ang kailangan ng PNP to end this match in
Actually,
3 sets.
2
Actually,
points.
2 points. So,
Reforma. And that'll be, what is this, 16 match points para sa Lady Patrollers. Camacho. Pinangat ni Oliveros. And for the win, Kia Gomez. There's a net touch kay Camacho. And that'll be it.
so hindi naman nakakapagtaka, di ba, na this ended in 3 sets because PNP is really one of the top teams
Yep.
in this league. So we saw how they performed. They were nagja-gel talaga sila inside. Chemistry was good. They knew where to stand. They knew how to defend. And they had so many attackers. And Bangkola, what a leader inside the court. Started the momentum, kept the momentum, led her team to a win.
7 aces, 1 attack point for Team Bangkola, 8 points in total.